exit dive. Is that an exit dive by that truck? Yes, it is. That white thing, you know? Yep. Stop it. Bad. Oh, nice cutoff in front of a truck. What a moron. Really, dude? Seriously?
Different scenario. Somebody's like got hurt. And then they direct traffic around it. These are terrible examples.
There you got honked
You can't
at.
block this road because there might be...
I sense and I feel the tension. You know, there's a saying, and I think it was Vladimir Lenin, correct me if I'm wrong, who said there are years or decades where nothing happens, and then weeks where
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Universities, bike walk groups, it's real. That being said, I want us to understand
really, dude,
how we got here. I want to do that really briefly, and then I want
these tickets, and he's getting nervous. And I was like, you know, not good. They're usually good. He goes, no, they suck. And then he showed me the score, and it was like 19-6.
Seriously?
And I was like, oh boy. Oh boy.
Takes it to 7 and wins, or Winnipeg takes control with their puck control, and they just score a couple more goals a game. And I think it will go that way. I think the Blues left so much goals a game, and I think it will go that way. I think the Blues left so much in the run, a lot of time, but that run, and the last time they won, that's why I wanted to pick them. The last time they won the cup, it was very similar.
What the fuck is that guy doing? It's like you're just gonna sit there in the middle of the thing. It's like make a right into Costco and then come out the other entrance or something. Really? There's better ways to make U-turns than just sitting in the middle of the frickin' street. No stop. Please like and subscribe for more exciting clips just like that one. You will love these videos, I promise.
Oberg -3, Matsuyama -3, Reed very quietly -3, Shoffley -2, Fleetwood -2. So it is a...
I believe that was a red light run. I gotta double check that. Yeah, that was a red light run.
it's gonna rain.
So when it stops, good job.
He goes again, you know, so...
And a no stop.
Well, he did go
because we have to ruin things. There had to be an exit dive, right? No stop. No stop. Spidey sense is tingling. What are you doing? Of course, you were in the wrong lane. Like, geez, I gotta make a right turn to get on the 490. Let's be in the left lane because that's where my advanced CDL training tells me to go, or some shit. I don't know.
No, but I mean, like, you know, I don't think there's any doubt that the top three are over Fedorov and Gino. I don't even think it's...
Yeah, right turn regret.
You got Fedorov in there. I'm happy.
No.
I think it was red light run behind me.
Olympus and made herself vulnerable to him. He would have done murder for her and more.
Exit dive.
Henry was swinging the 9-pound.
Because again, you can't like go down the street and try it. The only way you can learn the sport is by getting your
nice cut off
sled and going down the track and seeing if you can.
Assessing robustly.
what do we know and understand about something that feels very close to evolution? So at this point, there's just, honestly, a handful of scientists compared to the whole...
Extra regret, alongside me,
but
I don't know if
got
on camera.
Bigger and bigger, and so I think...
You are not Winnie the Pooh.
The stress of the guy involved here.
Seriously, dude.
And when you're 19, you do not make the best choices.
Stereotypes that somebody might have until they know one. And so I think that was the thing that I learned most, because
Nice cut off.
years ago I wouldn't have been a friend with an atheist because I didn't.
Where are you going, dude? Really? Maybe miss a light? Not really, but I just feel like complaining. Where are you going, dude? Really? Maybe miss a light? Not really, but I just feel like complaining. And a left turn regret behind me. Screwbaroo. Gotta love Henrietta. Gotta love this place. No stop.
God knows.
Nissan driver behind me. I'll use that one instead.
We do or anyone else does can possibly stop the fucking unrivaled power of the United States. It's because they bought into
what? Really?
Mythology that is surrounding the United States, the shining beacon on a hill,
into the atmosphere, and you get to study that. That's nature doing it. And so what have you found from the history of volcanoes?
Yeah, so the interesting thing is that it was Benjamin Franklin, one of the first...
No stop behind me.
And he was a great scientist too.
So the fact that it was cited 31 times doesn't mean they're using his technology. It might mean that they've just done a patent search for anyone else who said stuff about
red light run, red light run, red light run.